If you want to make your own picture, then you have to first come to Google Gemini. You have to upload your image here in Google Gemini. And, as soon as your image is uploaded here, you have to write a prompt here. I am pasting that prompt here. Here you will actually need 3 types of prompts. So, I am writing this first prompt here, with my picture. So it will generate the image here. So, the image has been generated here, and we will download this image here. And after downloading it, we will save it here. Now, here we have to write another prompt for this image, so we will write that second prompt here. And, I paste that prompt here, that replace human with realistic gray wolf. So I am generating it, by keeping it on fast, so that this work can be done quickly. So, now an image will be generated here. And it will replace this human image here, in the gray wolf. So, our image has been generated here. And, we will download it here, and we will save it here. Now we have to come to another website here, where we have to make a video here. So we describe the video content. In the start frame, we will give our picture here, which we have made here. So in the start frame, our own image will be the human image. And in the end frame, we will give the picture of the wolf here. So along with this, we have to give a third prompt here. And I am pasting that prompt here. After pasting here, I will click on Create here. So, your video is being generated. Please wait. It will take a little time to generate the video here, so we will have to wait a little for that. So, our video has been generated here. We open it here, and see, so you see that this video has been generated here. And before that, I had generated a video here. I'll show you that too, so you can see it here too. And, if you use Google Flow here to transform it, so we come here in Google Flow. And in Google Flow, we will create with Flow. And when this site opens here, so, we will log in here with our Google ID. And, as soon as the new project comes here, so, we have to do a new project here, and here at the start. It works better in Google Flow, so, we have to upload the image at the start. We will give the same image here. And it makes a better video here. And at the end, we have to give the same wolf image here. And, from here we have to make a video, so, we will select the video. Aspect ratio 16:9 and, we will keep its speed 1x here. And after doing the rest, as soon as this image is uploaded here, we will submit it here. We have to give a prompt here, so, we will paste the same third prompt here. And we will give it here, and it will take a little time here, so, this video has been generated here. You see this video here, it has transformed the human to wolf here. I have made a video before this too. I can show you that too. You can download it from here, and I will show you the downloaded video. So here you can see that this video has been downloaded. And you can transform it as you like. And before that, I had made a video here. So I'll show you that video too. If you look here, then this video has also become a very good video here. And if you look at this video, the video you saw in the beginning. This is that video, and you see that this way you can transform your video here, human to anything. Human to wolf, human to lion, or human to something else. It is just for fun or for educational purposes. You will find all these 3 prompts in the description. And it is better that you make it in Flow, instead of this Halo.video, so it makes it better in Flow. Google Flow transforms video in a better way. So if you like the video, then like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.